Are you worried about losing your important data from your laptop or hard drive? Don't worry, today I'll show you a powerful tool to keep your data safe. First of all, let me show you how to download Hard Disk Sentinel on your laptop or computer. You can easily download it from the official website. Just search Hard Disk Sentinel on Google and open the official site. Download the latest version, install it, and run the software. Hard Disk Sentinel is a smart software that helps you monitor the health, temperature, and overall performance of your hard drive or SSD. Features: it can detect problems early, before your hard drive fails, so you can take action in time and avoid data loss. This software shows detailed information about your disk health, including bad sectors, temperature, and performance status. It also shows your hard drive's temperature, health percentage, read and write speed, and even tells you the total storage capacity of your HDD or SSD. Benefit: by using Hard Disk Sentinel, you can protect your important files, increase your drive's life, and prevent unexpected crashes. Closing: if you care about your data, this software is a must-have for your laptop or computer.